Welcome to the African Fairy Voice Notes. I trust everybody is having a beautiful day. The sun is shining. If you can go outside, um, even for just a few minutes, just go outside and get the vitamin of the sun. Phumele ngaphandle, ubethwe lilanga, and ilanga liyaphilisa. So if you can, it's good that you just come out and get the warmth, the sunshine. All right. So I'm going to be doing these voice notes where I just come in and say a few words of encouragement. Ukuthi sikhuthazane endleleni yethu yakuba lana emhlabeni. Hey, angithi niyazi ukuthi we are just here to laugh together, love one another. Yeah, even if umhlaba is not really conducive for izinto ezifana nalezo, ngazi ukuthi abantu abathandayo balushwane kunama-haters. Sokugcwele ama-haters kakhulu. So if you're out there loving, I just want to say shout out to you. You're one of the unicorns that the world needs. So I wanted to say ukuthi, I was thinking this other game ebesiyidlala at the theater. Abantu they have to select ukuthi ngubani isitha sakho, like sideline somebody without ningakhulumi, ningatshelani ukuba nizo-sideline ubani. Just sideline somebody in your mind, and then as a group alienate that person until lo muntu lo abone ukuthi uye osidelineiwe, and then when they've seen ukuthi nguyibona abasidelineiwe, then they start fighting to get into the group. So when they are fighting to get in the group has to distance themselves from that person ukuthi asikufuni, asikufuni lana, you're not one of us. So at the end lo muntu lo has to accept ukuthi yazini abangifuni and it's me, it's fine. Then they go bayohlala phansi, they take a seat ne. And then I was thinking about the concept of healing is just like that. We have to come to a point where we say, oh shit, it's me. Like if we don't take the initiative to heal, ne, people will distance themselves from us. And we should not hold it against Abantu when they are now distancing themselves from us because of our unhealed parts. And the reason why ngikhuluma kanje is because nami I was also once unhealed. I had things that I know ukuthi people left because they couldn't handle certain characteristics that I had. And I had to say, oh shit, so it's me. And then you take initiative and you start doing the opposite. And you start growing fruitful characteristics. And as you're growing these characteristics, it's not like you're doing it to force your way into the group. You are developing yourself because when you have say anger issues. I used to have anger issues as well. That's why I'm making that example. And you know ukuthi uma umuntu ekukwatisile you start being violent, and abantu bazothi okay, now I don't want to be around someone that gets violent when they're angry, and then people distance themselves from me. And then I can't say why ungibalekela, why would you leave me, why would you distance yourself from me, because I get violent. Really, are you for real? You're distancing yourself because I get violent? Yes, they are distancing themselves because I get violent, because people don't want to deal with that toxicity. So now on my side, I have to deal with the emotion inside. What is making me violent? What makes me to get angry to that extent? Because it's not just about this person. And it's I want to say it like, especially when it's now become a pattern. when it's now become something that when I was with this person used to make me react the same way, and then the next person also used to make me react the same way, and the other person now that I'm with now for the third time or the fourth time is still making me react the same way like lo muntu wokuqala, which means inkinga ikimi. Yikho ngithi kumele ufike kulesikhathi ukuthi nawe uzothi how kathi inkinga yimi bengingaboni sonke lesikhathi. And that moment is a moment of conviction. Then you have to repent. So kumele uguqule yebo uguqule izenzo. Angithi ukuthi uh, uh, 10 things around. So uzobona ukuthi nawe where is this coming from? So uzobona ukuthi oh okay, as a child vele bebethi omunye okay, as a child bengingena kuma-situations where people were provoking me, and maybe I was taken advantage of ngingumntwana. I was not given a chance to talk, and then lo muntu lo senginaye manje naye ngathi akanginikeze chance yokuthi ngikhulume. So ma abantu bengathi bayangicindezela ngathi abanginikeze ithuba lokuthi ngikhulume, ngigcina ngiba violent ne. So kumele uhlanganise ubuyele emuva wena. This is now the process of healing. Ubuyele emuva uhlale nawe and allow that feeling yokuthi ya abantu babengangizwa mangikhuluma, abantu bebengeyisa or yeah, but angisenguye loya muntu lo, angeke ngilwele ukuthi umuntu angizwe, mina ngiyazizwa and I am accepted. Or sizoqala ukufaka izinto zokuthi ungubani wena, uzazi ukuba ngubani, ukuthi awudingi ukuthi omunye umuntu aze akwamukele akuzwe and then uzwe ukuthi ufike ezingeni lokuthi umuntu akuzwe, and then you start separating yourself nawe. Abantu bakho abazona nawe bazokulanda. Manje inkinga esinayo njengabantu in this time emhlabeni ukuthi asifuni ukubheka ngaphakathi, sonke sifuna ukupointa amamunwana yethu. We all want to point at someone ukuthi nguye ongenze kanje, nguye ongenze kanje, yikho mina ngikanje. Kathi sekumele siqale ukuthi sizibheke thina ngaphakathi ukuthi yini le ngenza kanje, ngoba inkinga akusilo muntu ovusa loyo mizwa ongaphakathi kwakho. Lo muntu lo uyakubonisa ukuthi kukhona okudingeka ukulungiswa ngaphakathi kwakho, but hayi ngiyazi ukuthi kunzima ukuthi umuntu aze angene ngaphakathi, ngoba nami ngikhuluma ngoba ngingenile ngaphakathi, kumnyama ngaphakathi. Kufuna isibindi ukuthi ungene ngaphakathi uzihlolisise wena ukuthi yimi inkinga. Kufuna umuntu onesibindi ukuthi ungaphoyinti ama-fingers and take irresponsibility njengomuntu onemuzwa wazi ukuba ngizothi ikuzihlola. Kumele uma ungumuntu uzihlole. And uma ngikhuluma ngokuba ngumuntu, angikhulumi ngomzimba wenyama. Umuntu womoya kumele azihlolisise ukube uphiliswe kahle noma cha. Yabona, umuntu nomuntu olana emhlabeni, umuntu ombhekile wena asisitha sakho. Umuntu ombhekile is a mirror. Umuntu ombhekile ukubonisa ukuthi usadinga ukuthi uphiliswe kuphi. Uma umuntu ekukwatisa, hlola wena ukuthi uthatshe kuphi lo muntu, uthatshe kuphi, ngoba uma singazihlolisanga abantu bazosibalekela. And thina we are not built ukuthi sibe liqembu elizimele lodwa. We are built for i-community. So ukuze ukhone nawe ukuba ne-community ekusupportayo that builds you up, then we have to take this step yokuphiliswa. Okay, so besiqhubeka ngizogcina lana namhlanje. It's the African Fairy on Indoni Yamanzi voice overs. So we'll get the time to go back to the videos in the future. For now, I'll be doing the voice notes as I am led. Ngithemba niphilile and ngithemba nizoba nelanga elikahle, livuleke amehlo ukuthi nibone ukuba umoya udinga ukuphiliswa kuphi. sihlanganelane sonke sikhuphulane njengabantu ngoba umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu. Angithi ngiyanithanda, ngizohlala nginithanda nami nginikhuphula emoyeni ngoba kuyisifiso sami ukuthi wonke umuntu aphiliswe, wonke umuntu angene kule ndlela okumele alande ukuzoyifeza la emhlabeni. Sonke siphumelele ngalokho esikulanda ukuzokufeza la emhlabeni. Cheers and I am out. Bye.